morning, everybody. Welcome to AMHQ Early. I'm meteorologist Jaqui Jeras. We've got a lot to get through. It's Monday. It's a holiday week, 4th of July tomorrow. And of course, we're going to be keeping our eye on those dazzling fireworks displays and whether or not Mother Nature may be causing some problems with a lightning display of its own. Of course, it's lightning week here on the Weather Channel, and we will keep you up to date and give you a lot of thunder and lightning that's already occurring at this early hour. We've got a complex that's been moving across the state of Arkansas right now, bringing some very heavy downpours. Now, notice there aren't any warnings in effect here. Little Rock, though, you are getting some really heavy downpours. There may be some gusty winds and even some small hail associated with this line of thunderstorms as it tracks eastward right along the I-40 corridor. So use a lot of caution. There you can see we put the lightning on top of it, and the sky is really lit up this morning. You want to stay indoors and wait for this line of storms to pass. But we do expect it to weaken a little bit as it tracks off towards the east, but additional showers and thunderstorms are going to be possible later on. We do have one warning to tell you about. This includes the city of Parrish. So this is for Fannin and Lamar counties until 4:30 in the morning. Some gusty winds over 60 miles per hour along with that hail that I was talking about. A good possibility with that thunderstorm. Now, Memphis, you're quiet right now, but we did see that live picture just a second ago, and you saw it was a little bit on the foggy side. The showers and thunderstorms are going to be moving in later on today. Right now, we think that big complex is generally going to kind of fizzle out, but we couldn't rule out some isolated showers and thunderstorms associated with it. Then additional development can be expected as we head into the early afternoon hours. So keep this in mind that after lunch, that will be the most likely time that showers and thunderstorms will develop and push through the region. A few of them could be strong, possibly severe. This is going to last until about 8, 9 o'clock for tonight before things begin to settle down just a little bit. So we have this big area of high pressure, which is kind of steering that flow. Lots of deep tropical moisture in place across the southeast, and we'll see those storms continue to kind of fire up in the heat of the day especially. So watch for late afternoon and early evening for those pop-up showers and thunderstorms across much of the south. Now, a lot of these could put down some brief heavy downpours, but then the sunshine is going to come right back out, right? Kind of that splash and dash stuff that we've been having as of the last couple of days. The forecast for tomorrow, a lot of these showers and thunderstorms again late in the day and into the early. Well, it's time for your airport information as we take a look at what kind of delays you can expect across the country for today. And we're keeping our eye on the Midwest as well as into parts of the Southeast for some of these delays. Now, showers and thunderstorms could cause some problems in places like Memphis, Tennessee, Atlanta. Some moderate delays can be expected later on today when showers and thunderstorms begin to push in through here. Memphis will likely have some major delays, especially this afternoon and early this evening. Oklahoma City could have some with some hit and miss thunderstorms there. Pittsburgh also, you've got a slight risk of a few of your storms becoming severe. That could cause some delays at the airport. And Chicago, perhaps a few delays. A lot of volume moving in and out of Chicago today as well. Who's actually going to have some clear skies and who might be dodging the showers and thunderstorms. As we take a look across the country, our best risk of severe thunderstorms will be across the central plain states for today. And then we'll be watching along a cold front across the southern Great Lakes into the southeast. Some splash and dash showers and thunderstorms, but Memphis is going to be one of those cities today I think you are going to have some trouble with. As we take a look along the I-70 corridor, especially north of Indianapolis over towards Cleveland as well as into Columbus, you may have some delays here with the showers and thunderstorms, heavy downpours causing some pounding of water on the roadway. As we take a look at tomorrow, we'll be focusing in more along the I-35 corridor as well as along I-29, Sioux Falls stretching down towards Council Bluffs and into Omaha. St. Louis probably going to be okay, but traveling west on I-70 you may run into them into Kansas City. It will be more likely on your Wednesday to see some thunderstorms here in St. Louis. Chicago finally getting back in on the action after a couple of nice days. I think Monday and Tuesday both look good for you here in Chicago. And Detroit looks good for your Wednesday, but as we head into Thursday, that will head eastward, just to let you know there. The southeast will continue to see hit and miss showers and thunderstorms mid to late day across the Florida Peninsula. You'll see that along the I-95 corridor as well as the I-75 corridor. I-20 will feature some hit and miss showers and thunderstorms. A little foggy in Huntsville this morning. Just a heads up on that. You've got a dense fog advisory until 9 o'clock. We are expecting to see some rain showers across Alabama the next couple of days with those heavy downpours as well. As we head across the mid-Atlantic states, our frontal boundary is going to be stalling out. So we're going to see some more active wet weather here today. Some of those could be strong or severe along the I-80 corridor, damaging winds as well as some hail. That pushes southward into places like Maryland and down towards Baltimore and into Washington, D.C. for your Tuesday, Wednesday, especially late on Tuesday. Hopefully the fireworks displays are going to be okay for you there. It's going to be kind of touch and go, I think, in a lot of these areas, but the Northeast begins to clear out. Well, every year we warn you to be careful when lighting your own fireworks, but there's another health risk on the 4th of July you might not know about. Meteorologist Mike Bettis explains, but we will have a lot of moisture in place, so feeling just a little bit warmer than what it's going to say on the thermometer. So our risk of severe storms today is going to be stretching from parts of Nebraska through western Kansas, as well as into western parts of Oklahoma, including the panhandles here, and then that secondary area that we're watching from that complex through parts of Arkansas, as well as into western parts of Tennessee. In between, you're doing okay, but as we move into tomorrow, we'll watch that focus along the I-35 corridor from Minneapolis through Des Moines, stretching down towards Kansas City. We'll see a few hit and miss showers and thunderstorms in Indianapolis as well as central Illinois. But Chicago, we're optimistic you're going to have a good day here. By Wednesday, though, that moves into your neighborhood as well as Milwaukee up towards Green Bay. St. Louis into the Boot Heel of Missouri. We'll see some scattered showers and thunderstorms with heavy downpours at times, and then just a few scattered thunderstorms as you head towards the central Appalachians as well as into the mid-Atlantic states. Storms will be more likely then as we head through the Ohio River Valley into the mid-Atlantic on your Thursday. Notice the Northeast still looking good here on your Thursday as well, but as you head into Friday, you'll start to see those storms move into your backyard. Rainfall amounts generally going to be around an inch, and some of the heavier thunderstorms you could see some higher amounts, and the rain will be heaviest, we think, into central and southern parts of Missouri down through the mid-south where that frontal boundary is going to be kind of hanging out. Well, we want to take it coast to coast now for your Monday morning weather headlines. It's a Monday, a short work week, hopefully, for a whole lot of people. Showers and thunderstorms will be active and possibly severe across parts of the western plains, into parts of the mid-south, and then also into the lower Great Lakes region. We'll see dry conditions over the next couple of days as that ridge of high pressure stays parked across parts of the west. Showers and storms for your 4th from Minneapolis down towards Des Moines. That moves into Milwaukee and Chicago for your Wednesday, as well as into the Boot Heel of Missouri and down into Arkansas, as well as into the lower Mississippi River Valley. As we head into your Wednesday and Thursday, we'll watch this shift eastward up and down the I-95 corridor, possibly getting wet late on Thursday. Hopefully most of your Thursday okay, but Friday looks like you're going to get wet with showers and thunderstorms. Notice the temperatures cool out of the 90s and into the 80s by this time, with more hit and miss showers and thunderstorms across the southeast. Can't get a break here, but looking good across the nation's midsection for your Saturday. 85 degrees in Fargo, 98 still in Dallas, staying hot across much of the south with showers and thunderstorms along the Gulf Coast for your Sunday.